Hi guys, I'm back at my friend's place for the stage 2 of garden bed installation. So this time what we are going to do is, instead of the garden bed, we got planter boxes. So there are 4 planter boxes that I need to do some planting. So we did the succulents on the other side, and this side they wanted some color. So some flowering plants. So what I have done is just collected some annuals and perennials, so mix of them. So I'll show you these planter boxes. It's actually really interesting. So each box has got 3 individual. Sorry, let me see if I can. I can't feel. It's difficult to lift it up, but they got 3 individual boxes in each plant boxes. So if you need to reorganize the arrangements, they can do it if they want. And I'll go through the plants with you. Let's start over here. I'm not really familiar with annuals or perennials. I only have succulents. But upon the request from my friends, I thought I would do it. So let's see how this goes. So this will be my kind of like first installation with perennials and annuals. So here we have some cordyline. So this is a perennial plant, nice gorgeous pink color, so electric pink color. And this is a lavender. It's a new variety, I think, lavender mailer. It's a nice variegated variety, so it gives a different texture and interest. And here we have some Roya, is that how you pronounce? Anyway, and some nice burgundy color osteospermum, and it's a Serenity series. Nice, gorgeous flowers. These ones here are Argentamum aramis. Anyway, it has got some lily kind of flowers, white and yellow. And this is some grass called Society Garlic, and it's a variegated one, nice. And it's a perennial as well. And over here, we have Carnation Oscar. There are a couple of them, and this one is a red color. And this is a Joy Burra. So this has got some nice white flowers as well. And this was some silvery blue foliage. I can't remember the name of this one. And some potted colors. So we bought these plants a few weeks ago, and we are going to plant it the next day. But for some unforeseen reasons, we couldn't do it that time, and it's been a 2 or 3 weeks that the plants have been sitting here. They have been watering it, but I think they haven't watered it for a couple of days now. So the flowers are a bit wilted, but hopefully after planting and watering, this will perk back up. So let's get started. Hi guys, I think that's it. So it didn't take long, maybe an hour and a half for all this to be done. So let's have a look. So lavender, merlot, it has got really beautiful aroma from the leaves. Very nice. And all these colors, I just watered them. So hopefully by, within a couple of days, they will perk back up. Have a look. And within a few weeks, it will fill up all these spots. That's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks very much. Bye.